First comes spring and summer, but then we have fall and winter, and then we get summer again. Summer, yes.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I've got a question for you. Have you ever looked up online to buy a new clipper to cut your own hair and you're looking for something affordable and high quality? Well, in this video, I'll be reviewing a new hair clipper, boom, Limural K11S. Without further ado, shall we start? Boost! So this clipper appears at the top of results when you search for a hair clipper on Amazon. Price is around $45 and this is pretty cheap for a clipper with an adjustable lever. And it's even like very professional hair clipper. You know, like Wall and Andis, like these big guys, these clippers cost somewhere around 60 to 80, sometimes it's 100 US dollars. So considering that this is only 45 US dollars, and it's even a very good investment for your long run. If you learn and if you master how to cut your own hair, you're gonna save tons of money, trust me. The clipper is made of all metal, which is something I really like about this clipper. Like in general, I like clippers that are made out of metal instead of plastic because, you know, metal gives it like a heavy weight, and the heavier clipper kind of like gives me more control over my wrist movement, and also it is good for heat resistance. So another thing is the blade is tapered blade instead of fade blade, which is also good for beginners because, you know, tapered blade allows easier to fade, especially for beginners. So like if you're a beginner, I recommend, you know, tapered blade instead of fade blade. If you don't know the difference between the tapered blade and the fade blade, in the future I'll upload a video explaining the difference between them. So another thing that I noticed is the blade is not zero gap. So if you want to know how to zero gap, make sure to check my video right here. The battery longevity of this clipper seems to be very efficient because I was cutting my own hair earlier with this clipper and I spent almost like 45 to like 50 minutes and the battery went from 100% to 80%. So you only use 20% of its battery. So the battery seems to be very efficient, which is very impressive. And also there's another thing is that there's an LCD display that shows you how much battery left on your clipper. So this is also a very good point. Aside from the clipper, the box comes with several accessories including a comb, a brand new cape, a charging cable, clipper oil, a small brush, and 6 different comb guards. So if you're starting out and you want to just start cutting your own hair right away, this is also a very good point to mention. I'll be trying out this clipper for the next few tutorials in the future, so if you want to see how this thing works, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and keep up with my updates. And that's it for the review, guys, and if you like my video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you very soon. Peace!